Unlock your lavender's potential. The best companion plants. Want to create a thriving, vibrant garden around your lavender? Discover the secret to happy lavender with the perfect plant pairings. Companion planting is more than just aesthetics. It's about creating a symbiotic relationship between plants. Certain plants can deter pests, attract beneficial insects, and even improve soil conditions for lavender. This leads to healthier, more fragrant blooms. Choosing the right companions can significantly boost your lavender's growth and overall well-being. It's a natural way to enhance your garden's ecosystem. Herbs are fantastic companions for lavender, offering a range of benefits. They often share similar growing requirements. Rosemary is a classic choice. It thrives in similar well-drained soil and sunny conditions as lavender. Plus, its scent repels certain pests. Thyme is another excellent option. It acts as a ground cover, suppressing weeds and conserving moisture in the soil. Sage is also a great companion. Its strong aroma can deter unwanted insects, protecting your lavender from potential damage. Flowers can add a splash of color and attract pollinators to your lavender patch. Choose varieties that share similar needs. Echinacea coneflowers are a beautiful and practical choice. They attract beneficial insects like bees and butterflies, boosting pollination. Yarrow is another excellent option. It's drought-tolerant and attracts ladybugs, which are natural predators of aphids. Sedum provides late-season color and attracts pollinators when lavender blooms are fading. This extends the beauty of your garden. Believe it or not, some vegetables make excellent companions for lavender. They can benefit from lavender's pest-repelling properties. Cabbage family plants like broccoli and kale can benefit from lavender's presence. The strong scent deters cabbage moths. Tomatoes also enjoy the company of lavender. It can help repel tomato hornworms and other pests that target tomato plants. Peppers can also benefit from lavender's pest-repelling qualities, leading to healthier and more productive pepper plants. While many plants complement lavender, some can hinder its growth. It's important to know which ones to avoid. Plants that prefer acidic soil, like azaleas and rhododendrons, are not good companions. Lavender thrives in alkaline soil. Moisture-loving plants, such as ferns and hostas, can create overly damp conditions that lavender dislikes. This can lead to root rot. Shade-loving plants will compete with lavender for sunlight, which is essential for its growth and abundant blooms. Consider the mature size of each plant when planning your garden layout. Give each plant enough space to thrive. Group plants with similar water and sunlight requirements together. This makes watering and maintenance easier. Think about the color and texture combinations to create a visually appealing garden. A mix of herbs, flowers, and vegetables can be stunning. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what works best in your specific climate and soil conditions. Gardening is a journey of discovery. Regularly monitor your plants for pests and diseases. Early detection is key to preventing problems from spreading. Provide adequate drainage to prevent root rot, especially in areas with heavy rainfall. Amend the soil with sand or gravel if needed. Prune your lavender and its companions regularly to maintain their shape and encourage healthy growth. This also improves air circulation. Mulch around your plants to suppress weeds and conserve moisture. Use organic mulch like straw or wood chips. Companion planting is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your lavender's health and beauty. By choosing the right companions, you can create a thriving garden ecosystem that benefits all your plants. Ready to transform your lavender garden? Start planning your companion planting strategy today. Research the specific needs of each plant and create a layout that maximizes their benefits. Share your lavender companion planting successes in the comments below. Subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks to help your garden flourish.